You need to turn it. I can't see it. There you go.
Relative humidity is dropped outside to about 70%. It's been on about 20-25 minutes.
So the relative humidity outside is 70%, and in our containment is dropping still.
Where are you at, Lee?
And Phil, what is our target?
Probably about 15%. It should get a little lower than that, but
Yeah, so we're headed there quickly.
with a desk, you're going to drop. Right now, we're at about a percentage of a little lower than what a conventional evolution dry use dehumidifier should put out in the house. It's actually maybe a little lower already.